Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to shopify.com, log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. So this is Shopify's dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the products option, that is the third option from the top at the left. Now you will see add product button just right here on this page. Click on add product, or you can also click on import and click on add file and import a CSV, TXT or Excel file of your product. Click on open and that way you can bring a lot of product at once. Now, in order to add product individually, click on add product button here. Now, you'll see this page where you can add the title of your product. So type in the name of your product. Now, navigate to descriptions. Now, you can create this description manually or click on generate text button here and enter what kind of description you want for your product. So I'll type in, I have a digital art visualizing pizza. You can also choose the tone of this description. Click on tone and you have expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive or supportive tone available for the description. So I'm going to choose persuasive and click on generate. Now I'll have to wait and this is the description that I got. Now select this, or you can also just click on keep and you will get your description. Now click on this paragraph option and you can choose the formatting for your description. You can make them bold, you can make them italic by choosing this, you can make them underlined, or you can click on color and choose the color of this text on your description. Now you can also choose the alignment for your description. Select all the description, click on alignment, make them center. You can also choose the color of this. You can also insert a link in your description, insert image, insert video, or you can click on three-dotted icon and choose these formatting for your descriptions. You have the option to add a bullet list, numbered list, outdent, indent, and you can also insert a table in your description. So this is pretty helpful feature for Shopify. Now scroll down and click on the upload new button and choose an image of your product from your PC. Click on open and the product's image will be uploaded on Shopify. You can also click on plus and add more product images from this page. So we'll scroll down and click on category option. Now choose what kind of product it is. So I have this product chosen as software, that is digital goods and currency. You can choose whether it's computer icon, desktop wallpaper. From all the options you would have here in the category section. Now navigate to pricing section and enter your product's price. Now in the compare at price, you can display a markdown. That is, you can enter a value higher than your price, often shown with a strike through. So I will type in 10,000. It is always going to be larger than the pricing. Now you'll have to type in cost per item. Now you can see I'll have this much profit if the cost per item will be this. I will have a margin of 60%. Now I will scroll down and in the inventory, you can choose whether you want to track the quantity or not. I'm not going to track it. And you can also choose whether your product has a SKU code or not. Now scroll down. If your product is physical, you'll have to make sure this box is checked out and you'll have to enter the weight of your product. In my case, my product is digital, so I'm not going to check this box. Now I'll scroll down and navigate to variance option. Click on add options like size or color. And by doing this, you can add different sizes for your product as well as different colors for your product that can be shown on your Shopify store. Now this will be the search engine listing. Whenever someone is going to search for my product, it is going to look something like this on Google search engine or whatever search engine they are going to use. After doing this, you'll have to navigate to this page, choose the status as active, scroll down and navigate to product organization. You can add product type, vendor, collections and tags. Now simply click on save option at the top right corner. This is going to save your product. Now click on the view your online store button after your online store and will be navigated to our store. So I'll scroll down and as you can see, I just added this product on my Shopify store and this product is published too. That's a simple way you can add products on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.